There we go. First video of 2025. Here's a brand new Wildwood Heritage Glen 271 RL. This, folks, is a nice rear living opposing slides. TV, fireplace. This opens up. Watch this. How about them apples? Love the center island that lights up. Oven, microwave. 12-volt fridge. Let's keep going. Bathroom right here. Love that mirror. It looks like it's floating. Shower. Of course, that is a porcelain toilet. Bedroom up next. Versatilt bed. Check this out. Huge closet. Not only that, it's washer dryer prepped. Love it. Outside speakers, 2 power awnings, and folks, if you're looking for quality, how about a fiberglass roof? You usually only see a fiberglass roof on high-end motorhomes. Please call one of our friendly sales staff ahead of time, and we'll get this opened up and lit up for you. Bye for now.